Hello, welcome back to an house update video. Today it's midsummer and I thought it was appropriate to make a movie in the middle of the night when you can see it is still light. And yes, it is about midnight, and if we look about there, you will see the sun. Yeah? And that's, I think, the way it is here in the summer. You can work here the whole night. Nobody does it, but it would be possible because it's still daylight and it's around midnight. You can see on my watch. Now, from the house update, they were supposed to do the foundation this week. They would start on Monday, take a couple of days to do that, but nothing happened. What? Because there was no concrete available. Apparently, there's no concrete, so they couldn't do the foundation. And they said they will come on Monday, but we'll see if there's concrete at that moment. So what happened last week? Well, they did drill the hole for the geothermal heat. That is a hole, it's about 200 meters deep. They did some drilling, and I'll show you some clips here. So don't expect any hot water or steam coming out of the ground you have in Iceland. No, it's a well, it's about 200 meters deep, and they use the groundwater and the temperature difference between here and there to create heat. It works the same as a heat pump, but instead of air, it uses the groundwater to do that. It's a bigger investment, you will see all the machinery, etc. to get it done, but your operating cost will be much lower to do it. So that's why we decided to do that kind of heating. Let's show around what actually happened with that piping thing. Now what you see here is some extra pipes, and these pipes, they come out of the ground. They weren't here last week. They go all the way here, where they go underground, and that's where they dig the hole. What you see, you can still see a little bit of the tracks of the machine that was here working on it. You can still see the gray stuff that is actually the rock, so that is the pulvered rock with water that came out when they were drilling here for the machine. And here some waste that will get cleaned up soon, because most of it is being gone with the container. And just to make sure, yes, it is sunny. Can you see the sun? Okay, a short update video about drilling a 200 meter deep hole in the ground. Not much happened from the outside, but yes, deep in the ground it did. Next week there will be a foundation, so there will be a little bit more to show. Yeah, and then the week after it already, the house will arrive, and they will pile up here behind me all the stuff for building the house. House is coming, I think, week 27, week 28, the whole roofing, and pretty soon actually the construction of the house will start. And that will be more interesting because there's something to see and it is happening. So if you want to follow along, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you then in the next video. Thank you for watching.